Hello there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Just want to take some time out to thank all my subscribers and the would-be subscribers. I'm grateful to you all. We're going to be making egusi soup today, guys. Let's get down to the introduction of the ingredients as usual. We're going to be using some cow skin or pomo. You can actually use goat meat with some skin on it. It's actually tasty too. Cow meat with some cow tail. Dry bitter leaves. Dry bitter leaves are more tasty in egusi soup, especially when you're making it for an occasion or for visitors. I did soak mine already in water to make sure they are soft by the time we are putting everything in the pot. We have palm oil, ground melon seeds or egusi. You could actually buy yours on ground, wash and also blend. Red bell pepper and 1 scotch bonnet, chopped onion, crayfish, salt to taste. I'm using pink Himalayan salt, ginger, garlic, onion, smoked fish. You can use catfish or any fish of choice, Maggi, and of course water. These are all the ingredients, guys. Alright, so let's get down to business. The first thing we are going to do is blend our bell pepper, scotch bonnet, onion, ginger, garlic. Let's go, guys. Chopping my ginger into the blender jar. Onion. The garlic. Scotch bonnet. And then with my bell pepper, I'm going to open it up and remove all the seeds. You don't want to blend your bell peppers with the seeds, guys. Chop everything into your blender. So we have our bell pepper, scotch bonnet, onion, ginger and garlic in the blender. We're going to add some water right away and blend. Just enough water to get it blended. Blend. Put your contents in a pot. Then add your meat to the pot. Add more water. Little bit of salt. The chopped onion. Cover this up and boil until your meat is tender. See you later. So our meat has been boiling for approximately 20 minutes. We're going to add our cow skin at this point. Note that our cow skin has already been boiled and cleaned. Add your cow skin. Stir. Cover this up and let it continue to boil till everything is tender. That's your meat and cow skin. Guys, after boiling our cow meat and skin till tender, the next thing to add will be our fish. Add your fish. If you notice that your water is getting dry, add a little bit of water. I'm going to add a little bit of water and boil everything again for approximately 5 minutes. So we've been boiling our cow skin, meat, fish and spices up until now. The next thing will be to form balls out of our ground egusi or ground melon seeds. So we're going to get our ground melon seeds, use some of the water or the broth from boiling our meat and cow skin. So I'm going to use the broth to lighten up my ground egusi. We are trying to make a paste or form a paste-like consistency. So this is our paste, guys. The next thing we're going to be doing is to scoop our paste and drop into the pot. Guys, watch carefully. Our aim is to form balls that won't scatter up totally at the end. So after scooping your egusi paste and dropping in the pot, cover up your pot to boil for approximately 10 minutes. See you later. So guys, let's check to see if our ground melon seeds are ready. So as you can notice, it has formed balls. So mix gently. The next thing we are going to add at this stage is our bitter leaves. You can also use spinach, but bitter leaves make it more tasty. Add your crayfish. Add your Maggi. Add more salt. And then add palm oil. Mix everything up and taste to make sure that everything is well balanced. From this stage, guys, reduce the temperature of your stove to medium heat. Mix everything up. Our egusi soup is coming together. Taste to make sure everything is balanced. You can add more water or reduce depending on the thickness you want. Oh my god, this looks so good. Allow this to boil for approximately 10 to 15 minutes on low heat again, guys. See you later. So guys, our egusi soup has been boiling for approximately 15 minutes. Let's check and see. Oh my god, look at how colorful this is. Stir. Look at the richness. Oh my god. Guys, serve and enjoy with family. Serve with some fufu of any type, gari, pounded yam, pondo yam, or anything. Do well to subscribe, guys, and a big thank you to those who already did. Love and light your way. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.